Welcome to Uncovering Wonders. Are you ready to discover some of the coolest and most unknown secrets about AI? From self-driving cars to personal assistants, AI is becoming a big part of our lives. But, did you know that there's so much more to this technology? In this video, we're going to explore some of the lesser-known capabilities of AI that will blow your mind and leave you excited about the future possibilities. Please hit like and subscribe now, and sit back, relax, and dive into the world of AI. One of the most interesting things about AI is its ability to learn and improve. Unlike traditional programming, where the software is set to do specific tasks, AI can learn from the data it's given, and get better at its job over time. But, here's the best part, it can also teach itself using something called unsupervised learning. This means that the AI can find new patterns and insights in data without any human help. It can help find new information or insights that we may not have known before. Imagine the possibilities for data analysis and decision-making. Pretty cool, right? Another awesome thing about AI is its ability to understand human language. This is called natural language processing, and it allows machines to understand and respond to human language. But it's not just about talking, it's also about understanding the meaning behind words. It's called sentiment analysis, and it helps us understand people's opinions and emotions through text data like social media posts and customer reviews. Imagine being able to understand how people feel about a certain product or service, or even a political candidate, with a level of accuracy that was previously unimaginable. This can help businesses and organizations understand how people feel about their products, services, and brand. Another exciting aspect of AI is its ability to generate realistic images and videos. This is called generative adversarial networks, GANs, and it allows AI to generate images and videos that are so realistic, it's hard to tell the difference between what's real and what's not. Can also create art. It's called generative art, and it's being used to create new forms of art that were previously unimaginable. AI can compose music, paint pictures, and even write poetry. It's crazy to think that machines can create something so beautiful and unique. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the entertainment industry, but it also raises ethical questions about the use of AI-generated content. And let's not forget about the impact of AI on the job market. While AI can automate certain tasks and make them more efficient, it also has the potential to replace human workers. However, it also creates new jobs that require skills in AI and data science. It's important to understand the impact of AI on the job market and prepare for the future of work. Another application of AI that is gaining a lot of attention is its use in healthcare. AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze large amounts of medical data and help doctors make more accurate diagnoses and treatment plans. In addition, AI-powered robots are being used in surgeries, allowing for more precise and less invasive procedures. With AI, we are able to improve patient outcomes and make healthcare more efficient. But it also raises questions about the ethics of relying on machines to make medical decisions. One of the most promising areas of AI research is its use in drug development. AI can analyze large amounts of data from various sources, such as medical literature, clinical trials, and patient data, to identify potential new drug targets and predict the efficacy of new drugs. This can help speed up the drug development process and make it more efficient. Finally, let's talk about the ethical considerations of AI. As AI becomes more advanced and integrated into our lives, it raises questions about privacy, security, and bias. It's important to consider these ethical issues and ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. AI is an amazing technology that never stops surprising us. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the unknown secrets of AI, and we hope you're as excited as we are about the possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the latest AI news and discoveries. Share this video with your friends. Let's spread the word about the incredible potential of AI and how it will shape our future together.